Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for June 20th through July 2nd. For the period June 20th to 24th, models forecast high star rise across much of the nation this period and will allow a polar front to stretch from the northern mountain region to the mid-Atlantic. The front will result in convection to break out near the boundary. We're looking first now at the period June 23rd to 27th. And this is GFS on the 23rd, and most of the models are forecasting a ridge here, a trough over the Gulf of Alaska extending southward, and we have above normal heights here in the east and much of Canada. So that is a GFS. Now we're going to look at the GFS ensembles during the same period, also below normal heights in the west, and this is the European deterministics, European ensembles, and the NAEFS, or the Canadian ensembles. Okay, now we're going to go further into the period. We'll jump to the 25th, and this is a GFS. Now the GFS, I'd like to notice here, is deeper now with the trough. It's deeper with the trough here over the western U.S., but still has above normal heights here across much of Canada and the northern U.S. Possibility of a weak trough. All the models showing a weak trough here or portions of the Mississippi Valley. So now we're going to look at the GFS ensembles, the European deterministics, the European ensembles, and the Canadian ensembles. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting, here we go again, waiting for the maps to load. I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for the northern New England area. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region here. Next, now we're going to look at the period for June 28th through July 2nd. So we're going to go to the 28th. Here's the Canadian ensembles, still with a deep trough here. Still with a deep trough south of the Aleutians, above normal heights here, and now the trough is a little bit stronger here with a weak trough in the east. So that's the Canadian. This is Canadian ensembles, the European ensembles, and the Canadian ensembles. The Canadian ensembles has above normal heights across across Canada and the western U.S. with our trough here south of the Aleutians, and a weak area of negative height anomalies over the North Atlantic. So we go further into this period. This is the 30th. Then we go to the ensembles. And then let's see, we can try to get to the last. This is the last day of the period. This is the second. Now this is interesting to note. The Canadian ensembles has still the below normal heights south of the Aleutians or over the Aleutians, but near to above normal heights across the remainder of North America. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and for the East Coast, and an area below normal temperatures for area of the central Mississippi Valley. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this region. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for June 20th through July 2nd. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.